What's up my mates of YouTube, my name is Aussie Marcel, and in today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing and first impressions of Versace Eau Fraiche. But before I get into that, my fragrance of the day, Prada L'Homme Intense. I really hope this hasn't been discontinued because it's almost been my go-to scent lately. It's fresh, it's clean, it's got a fabric softener vibe to it, but the iris note really makes this one stand out. It just gives it that maturity and a little bit of, edge that isn't present in a lot of fresh and clean fragrances. I paid $119 for it, and off sale it was close to $180. So even if it has been discontinued, I would recommend picking this up if you can find it for a reasonable price. I highly recommend it. But I'm not going to dwell on that one for too much longer. I'm going to unbox this. So let's get into it. Oh, before I unbox it, you could buy 50 ml for $50, or you can buy 200 ml for $99. So that one makes it a no-brainer. I got the 200 ml because it just seems stupid paying $50 for 50 ml. And here is the packaging. Oh, I'm never gonna use all of this. It's like, it looks a little cheap, but it's kind of nice, I guess. That's sort of what I gravitate towards. I sort of gravitate towards Dark Rebel, but that's just me. I think that most people would probably prefer the DNA of this, even though I don't know too much about it. Alright. Atomizer. My hand. I get citrus, touch of melon, a little bit of wood, some musk. It smells like a couple of the CK1 summer fragrances that I've smelled. Like all of those CK1 summer scents sort of could fit into this, basically. Yeah, it's light, it's citrusy, it's got some fruits. It's okay. I mean, the value is there. $100 for 200 ml. It's pretty good, and I can imagine a lot of people liking the DNA of this. I can imagine most people, during the warmer months would gravitate towards something like this. I would probably lean more towards Dylan Blue, even in the warmer months, just because it has a slightly darker, more mature touch to it. But I do think this would be really good for compliments for the majority of men out there, or the women that want to pick up this as well. Yeah, it's just fresh, fruity, some citrus, and woods and musk. It's not particularly beachy or aquatic. It's just a fresh, fruity scent. Very reminiscent to my nose of the CK1 summer fragrances. So if you have any of them, this may be obsolete in your collection. I would actually recommend Versace Pour Homme over this. This has a really unique floral note in it, and it smells slightly more masculine as well. Yeah, this is the fragrance to buy of the two of them. I believe Versace Pour Homme is the most versatile of the bunch. Dylan Blue is also incredible. I actually prefer Dylan Blue to Pour Homme. And then at the bottom of that I would put Eau Fraiche. But that's not to say that this isn't a good fragrance. Obviously it smells decent, the quality is there, it smells light, it's fruity, and it's not going to overpower or stink out a room either. And $100 for 200 ml, it's very good value, but it's not my sort of cup of tea. It's not something I would immediately gravitate towards, but it's good value, it's a solid brand, and yeah. That's about my first impressions of Versace Eau Fraiche. If you've ever worn it before, let me know what you think about it in the comments below. And until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel. I'll catch you guys around.